Welcome to another video on manual part programming. Write a manual part programming for machining profile shown in the figure. So this is a problem which deals with the drilling of 4 holes. In previous video I explained you about the G codes and the M codes. The first line talks about G21, G40 and G94. G21 says that the units are in the matrix. G40 tells no tool compensation is considered in this program and the feed is given mm per minute. This is indicated by G94. Second line of the program will talk about the G28 which talks about a reference point or a machine reference point for the program, and S will tell you the speed of the spindle. The next line is again G28, which is a home position which is indicated by X0 and Y0 coordinates. Next is the M06 code I have used, so which deals with the tool change, and I am using here tool number T0101, a drill bit for drilling operation. The next line of the program will talk about M03, which says that the spindle is rotating in clockwise direction with a speed of 1200 rpm. Next comes the line, very important line, where it will tell the program that whatever the measurements are there, they are taken in absolute way. So this is indicated by G90. So G001 is the code which is we used it for the rapid motion. This is used to minimize the machining time. So with the rapid motion, my cutting tool will move to the position X is equal to 15 and Y is equal to 15 and Z is equal to 5. Next is a very important program line in this, that is G99 G73. Before we explain further, let's see that what do you mean by G73 and what do you mean by G99. In CNC machine, we have got a different CAN cycle for different purposes such as drilling, boring. So the syntax of the G73 consists of X indicates coordinate of the hole, Y also indicates the coordinate of the hole, Z is the depth of the hole, R is the retract value, and Q is depth of each peck, and F is feed rate. Here drilling of the hole will take place. Later the tool will be retracted by the value what we call it as a R1. Again this will indicate the value of Q, that is depth of each peck, and finally this complete length will tell you the depth of the hole, that is the Z value. In this way we have to give the different values in the G73 one. This whole process will be repeated automatically as long as we cancel the CAN cycle. We have another G83 which is also used for the drilling purposes, but there is a slight differences there. So in case of G83, every time the tool will be retracted through the complete length. 73 it is retracted partially. So depends upon the requirement, one can select the G73 or G83. G99 is a code which is used for a safe rapid distance. It is quite related to the G73. When we write G99, the program will ask the tool to retrieve by R value which is mentioned in the G73. If you don't mention it, then the tool will get retracted to the Z value which is been entered in the previous line, that is Z5. So in order to avoid the destruction to the jigs and fixtures or other work holding devices, it is necessary that you should use G99 code. With this line N070, the execution of drilling of the hole at X15, Y15 with a depth of 10 mm will be carried out, and after completion that my program will go to the next line. The next line will be executed where the coordinates is represented by Y45. The X value by default it it will take which has been entered in the previous line. That is, in this case, it is X15 and Y45. After completing the cycle, the tool will move to the next point, that is X45. That is, Y value is by default, that is Y45. It means it reaches the point X45, Y45. Then it will go to the point Y is equal to 15 and X is equal to 45. It will carry out the drilling operation. After that, we will, using G80 code, we ask the Canon cycle to stop it. So after that, we ask the tool to go to the home position. Remember, home position is quite different from the home position of a work component. So to avoid the destruct during the machining operations, all the machines will have a home position. So we are asking the tool to go to the, what we call it as a home position, that is Z0. Similarly, we are asking the tool to go to X0 and Y0. Then with using miscellaneous code M05, we are asking spindle to stop it, and M30 will tell the programs to stop this. In this way, manual part programming can be written. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel for some more interesting videos on manual part programming. Thank you.